Moving on from surfaces, we're going to talk a little bit more about polysurfaces and solids. Now, Rhino's primitives here in the solids menu features a lot of polysurfaces. One of the simplest would be a box. To create a box, I need to use two viewports. You can see we have a six-sided figure, which is made up of six surfaces, which therefore makes it a polysurface, because anything with more than one surface joined together is a polysurface. It is also a solid, because it is completely enclosed. Your ellipsoid, your sphere are both solids, as well as single surfaces. Somewhat difficult to picture, but a sphere is actually a singular rectangular material or surface that's wrapped in a sphere shape. One way to demonstrate that, if I go to Surface, Plane, Cutting Plane, I'm going to draw a line here right through the middle of our sphere. Then right-click. You see what we have here. What I'm going to do is just cut my sphere in half using this rectangular surface as the tool. So I select my sphere. I go to my split tool, which we'll be talking about more in another section. Now I select my cutting object, press enter. Now I can delete. As you can see, I can select different parts of my sphere because it's been split. Well, if I delete that chunk, and we look here, sort of get to see what our sphere is made of. It's hollow. As you can see, a single surface wrapped in a spherical shape. The sphere is no longer a solid since I've taken a bite out of it and it's not a closed shape. Again, my solids submenu can be found right here, and the lead tool is the box tool. The curve from object submenu has other tools which can be used on surfaces, as well as my surface tools menu. So there are a lot of surface tools that you can see that we will be using with surfaces, solids, and polysurfaces in their respective sections. So again, a polysurface is just several surfaces joined together, and a solid is one or more surfaces that are closed, that form an enclosed shape.